Okay, so this example is chill ambient style track. I'm going to just drop it in there. So, see, we're going with this. Okay, so I'm going to get the BPM counter to show one of the Logic plugins, and we can see then roughly what speed we're at. Okay, so the BPM counter is a bit confused there. I'm not surprised. It's kind of a breakbeat. Try at the simpler section. Okay. 1, 2, 4. Try that. I just line it up on a. Actually, it can help sometimes just to line. If you can't go left and go right, to line up the major section with something with the major bar lines and the sequencer as well. Something like that. Just check then. I'll listen and watch the bars or the beats and the bars and see if it lines up. Yeah, that seems okay there. And then the way to really test it is to go then back to the end or somewhere later on and see if it's going out, if it still lines up. Yeah, the clap is just bang on there. So that looks right. The 1, 2, 4 seems to be the correct BPM. And now I'm just going to add a whole bunch of blank parts just to give us something to use. Yeah, so I'm going to start off with there's a dub bass. Just call it bass. Probably, no, it's actually starting there. And I'll make it maybe 16. Yeah, 16 bars. Okay, so it's playing through the breakdown. I mean, it's kind of a dub track, so it's going to play quite a lot through the whole track. Up to that breakdown then. Okay, well, it's this slightly, or it's not really a straight, I'll just call it ARP bass. Just to make it a slightly clear that it's slightly different texture. Yes, it just goes up to there. And then we're back, I think, back to this one here. Up to the end, like that. Okay, so that's the bass lines. What else? We've got this kick and clap and percussion, so probably doesn't change. Yeah, just I'll put it in. I'll just call it perc. I'll just call it percussion. So I'm going to make it very simple in this one. I'm just going to lump all of that in together. So the kick and the clap and it goes there to there. It stops in this break. Although it doesn't. It comes back in halfway. It actually comes in there. And this. And here, probably not. Okay. they're also not. All right, okay. So, so that's the percussion and bass. And I'm going to try now some of the actual main instruments. Like there's this high frequency, gated high pad, I'll call that. Starts there. Sort of maybe blue. It's a little bit kind of like a sky, a high color. Oops. Cool. Probably starts here. Oh no, actually it starts at the beginning, okay. And so it goes all the way to there, and then okay, it comes back there. Although this is not the same part, this is strings. I think that's the same, okay. Just fades in there, and comes back for the breakdown. Plays right through to there. Yeah, actually it goes on. To the end. Okay, so that's the main part of that track. So we've got the little mallet style sound. That one there. Just call it mallet. Not sure if it's with 2 T's. Could be. Yeah, I'm not sure if I should lump a few of them together. Yeah, it just comes up there. I mean, I don't want to get into making like an alias here for every single little sound. It's just going to get too complicated. Then, I mean, you can do that. You can do that if you really want to get into the nitty gritty of a track. But I'm just talking about the overall arrangement here. So like the bigger picture. So I don't want to get into actually making little tiny sections like this because I'll have to literally play through the entire track to map that out. What I might do is lump that together with another one. This kind of the larger low frequency hit that comes in there. So that one there. So if I say, just call that mallet. So I mean like that low frequency one and the high frequency. That one there, and that one there. So that plays on through there. Possibly. No. And there it comes back there. I'm not sure if that's... Yeah, I just do one little one there just to show that it actually goes away again there. Yeah, so it actually doesn't play there again. What does play is this main synth lead. It's there. And did that start in the breakdown? Yeah, it did. So that stops there, and then we have the female vocal. The color for that. So I have one of those little mallet things in there. There's probably a few more here, just, yeah. And so we have a piano. There's kind of like a rain type echo synth. I'll just call it rain echo. In here, so that part there I meant. Okay, that literally that does stop. There, and then there is this rising synth part. What do you want to call it? That's more like a classic synth, retro. Starts here, I think. And it's gone there, so quite simple. There's some chords in there. No, there's no chords, but there are, I think this main synth again. That one there I meant. So I'll just, yeah, like that. And then we have the gated iPad already, and that synth is this one. Yeah. And again, the little mallet. And then the vocal comes back. Oh, the mallet again there. The vocal again here. Does that play? It does. So these mallets, there's probably more of those happening. That. Okay, so there's probably a few of those mallet hits down here that we missed. That. It's probably exactly the same pattern. There's. Okay, so what I'm going to do is actually I'm going to keep the mallets separate to those big, these are big echo synths here. These big ones. That there, so that and all of the call answer responses to that one. Can also actually go into more detail on that. Maybe it might help to show what's going on. So we need another one as well. I mean, this is just roughly just to get an idea. Probably just going to be the same. Like that. So, and then here. Oh, we do have that. Okay, so that's that. I mean, that gives it a little bit more overview where these are happening. So those are just in the intro, those those stabs, and the other one does carry through to the climax. Yeah, what else have we got in here? There's those stabs. There's those really prominent high frequency stabs, but that's kind of going right through the whole thing. I'll do a part for those though. I'll call it main stabs. I'll probably move it up here because they're going to be kind of right through it. Something colorful. I mean, you could do it like that, which should be a bit more representative, just to show, to give yourself an idea. Then later on, you know how much space the sound actually takes up. So I'm just putting it like that. That stab has got quite a big decay. Oh, these are all a little bit too big. All right. So, and then it goes away. And it comes back. Okay, so I think it goes up to there. Like that. Then we have it here. Yeah. It's kind of not super clear there. It's at the beginning. There's one. Ah, it is there. Okay. It's just a bit lower in the mix. Yeah. I think it goes right through there. Yeah. And possibly to the end. Yeah. It's just going right through. Okay, I think that's the last one. Okay, so that gives some idea. That's enough. I mean, it's enough to get an idea of what's going on. Could probably rearrange these a little bit more productively, possibly. Take these two down since they're a little bit orphaned there, and then maybe one free. Okay. So then that's kind of a dub ambient type track, and then again I'm just going to do a screen grab of that so I can see it at a later date, and making sure that I have the bar numbers are visible and the BPM also visible, so you can see then it's sections are 16 bars, and you get an idea.